Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal with these videos is to help you learn about technical analysis and see how it can help you do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed down 179, down 7.25%. We closed at 22.89. Post-market as usual, post-market is all over the place and does not really make sense. So basically, look at this. So we were pretty much okay yesterday. Palantir bounced on the support that we had at 24.30. It bounced twice, so it seemed to have respected that support, and Palantir could have continued over that 24.30 and slowly maybe go back to 27 and maybe get stuck between 24.30 and 27. That would have been a perfectly reasonable thing to think yesterday. But then sometimes life gives you lemons, and we just need to make lemonade. So basically, we broke down the support at 24.30 with a big red candle with a very little wick at the bottom. So this indicates that towards the end of the day, there has been a little bit of a pushback up. But basically, my feeling is that the stock is really going down to 21 bucks. So this is I think where it's headed, going back to support and regrouping over there. So unless it's always possible that the stock recovers quickly. It's always possible that you have a red candle and then a green candle that happens afterwards. It's not impossible. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. So in terms of the 1 hour chart, just like what happened with Tesla, or close to. So during the first hour, this is where all hell broke loose. So boom, big red candle during the first hour. Look at the volume at the first hour compared. Now let me go here so that we have a better idea of the volume. Look at the relative volume of the first hour compared to all of the other hours. So the first hour, we had 600,000 shares that were basically dumped. So somebody took a dump on Palantir, and this is what it looks like. At least it's red. So basically afterwards, the stock has been going sideways. So that's kind of a good news. Okay, it's going sideways, so it seems to be recuperating a little bit. But then no, at around 1:30, it was going even lower for a while during the hour, and at 2:30 also going even lower. So yes, so not much support that I can see here. Let's go back to the daily chart. So let's look at our indicators. See if they took a beating. I would say they did. So basically, the stochastic is right down to 355. So weak. The stock is very weak from a stochastic perspective. So of course, we have our thumbs down. In terms of the MACD, we had a crossover of the two lines not too long ago, a couple of days ago, but the two lines are still positive for a while. I don't know if that's going to last. I don't think it will. And our DMI, which we loved, is saying, well, no, thank you very much for me. The bull trend has officially ended. So this is what the DMI is saying. I'm just trying to remove. So I'm still in this drawing mode. So trading view, you need to fix this. Okay, so I need to put a thumbs down here for Palantir because the DMI is going down. So we are basically heading to 21 bucks. we had a good run. You know, the good run was if you were in since 1720, then the perfect trade, which nobody took. The perfect trade was $17 to $27. So that was a good run, but basically Palantir is not ready to go beyond 27 for now. So it's going to lay down low for a while until something happens and the stock tries to go back up again. It is what it is. We just need to face reality and adjust our ducks accordingly. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Tesla and Palantir video every single day, weekdays. And you will see them in your feed if you subscribe. You can also click on that bell just to see if it works. We have a Patreon account, we have a Discord server, and we have some TradingView affiliate links if you are interested in that. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.